Australian Fun, a Peppa Pig book, a touch and feel playbook. Peppa loves exploring Australia. Let's go to the beach, she says. Mr. Kangaroo drives everyone there in his camper van. The sand is rough and scratchy, says Kylie Kangaroo. Let's go! At the beach, the children can't wait to get in the water. Come on, Peppa, cries Kylie. Let's go surfing. Hee hee, Peppa giggles. The waves are big and bumpy. Woohoo! Peppa loves the animals in Australia. Look, says Peppa, I found a teddy bear. That's a koala, says Mummy Pig. Its fur is fluffy and soft. Snuffle! Peppa enjoys playing with boomerangs. When she throws one in the air, it comes right back to her. My boomerang works like magic, shouts Peppa. It is smooth and bendy. Woo, 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 woo! Most of all, Peppa loves her friends in Australia. I love your pink dress, Peppa tells Kylie. I love your red dress, Kylie replies. It is happy and bright, just like you. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this book, please hit subscribe. We've got lots more Peppa Pig and lots more lovely other books to read with you too.